Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation wireless earbuds, which have up to 2 times more active noise cancellation and adaptive transparency. Alright, so right here we have our AirPods Pro. These are the 2nd generation, which features up to 2 times more active noise cancellation plus an adaptive transparency and personalization, audio with a dynamic head tracking for immersive sound with more multiple ear tips. You've got extra small, small, medium, and large. This lasts up to 6 hours of listening time. So first off in the box, you get your manual, your warning labels. So these are designed with an H2 chip, pushes advanced audio performance and even further resulting in a smarter noise cancellation, more immersive sound. It has low distortion, custom built drivers, delivers crisp, clear, and high notes and deep, rich in bass, which is stunning definition. So every sound that you hear is more vivid than ever. So right here in the box, just pop this up. You have your charging cable as well as your extra bud covers. So like I said, they have these small, extra small, small, medium, and large. And it does come with an extra set that is already on the earbuds. So there's extra small, small, and large. So I'm assuming medium ones are on it already. So here is your standard cable for your iPhone, iPad, and your AirPods Pro. So the earbuds are a customizable fit with 4 pairs of silicone tips, with including small, medium, extra small, and large to fit a wider range of ears, providing all-day comfort. The tips create an acoustic seal to help keep the noise out and secure the Pro in place. So here's the case. You have your charging port. You have back here where you can sync them. This is also charged by wirelessly, or if you want to charge them by the cable themselves. So this is the next level active noise cancellation of up to 2 times more active noise cancellation than the previous models. For dramatically less noise on your commute or when you want to focus, adaptive transparency lets you comfortably hear the world around you or adjust the intense noise like sirens or constructions in real time. They have all-around sound, which is personalized audio surround and a sound just for you. It works with dynamic head tracking to immerse you in deeper in the music and movies. So here on the side, you do have your volume up and down little rockers right here, so you can turn them up or down from just the pods themselves. This has also a leap in a battery life, so this one lasts up to 6 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation, which is enabled at 33%. More than the AirPods Pro 1st generation. It has a charging case that you'll get 30 hours of total listening time and active noise cancellation enabled, 6 hours longer than the 1st generation. So right now we're just going to pair it with my iPhone. It is super easy. Once you open up, your iPhone will automatically detect them. You can see it says AirPods Pro. You can connect them. So right now it's going to connect them to the AirPod. So now when you connect it, it's asking for media control. I'm just going to go ahead and skip through this. Adjust the volume, announce calls, notifications. You can customize it. So it has all the customization. So I'm going to click on that now. And then it says you want to get a personalized sound. You can do that. Right here, it'll tell you what the battery level of the AirPods as well as the case. So when you open it up, this will display. It'll automatically pop up on your iPhone. So if you're looking for a great set of earbuds, I would highly recommend these AirPods Pro, the 2nd generation. They last super long, and I like the fact that the iPhone picks it up right away, and it just tells you the battery strength in your earbuds as well as the case. So I definitely highly recommend checking these ones out. These are a good set, and they are definitely worth it.